Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage your website with WordPress easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the WordPress login page. Enter your username and password to access the dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. To create a new post, hover over the Posts tab on the left sidebar. Click on Add New to start a fresh post. Enter your post title in the designated field at the top. Use the content editor below to write your post. You can format your text using the toolbar above the editor. To add images, click on the Add Media button. Select or upload the images you'd like to include. Once satisfied with your content, look for the Publish button on the right side. To manage pages, hover over the Pages tab in the sidebar. Click on Add New to create a new page. Enter a title and content just like you did with posts. To edit existing pages, click on All Pages and select the desired page. You can rearrange your pages by dragging them in the Order section. Next, to customize your site's appearance, hover over Appearance. Click on Themes to select or install a new theme. Browse or upload a theme that suits your style. To customize further, click on Customize under the Appearance menu. Here, you can tweak various aspects like site identity, colors, and menus. Now, let's set up plugins for added functionality. Hover over Plugins and click on Add New. Search for plugins that will enhance your site. Install and activate any that fit your needs. Once activated, configure each plugin's settings as needed. For managing comments, navigate to the Comments section. Here, you can approve, decline, or reply to user comments. To view site statistics, integrate Google Analytics. Install the Google Analytics plugin for tracking visitor behavior. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.